Hello guys, and welcome to this next tutorial. And in this tutorial, I will explain the basics and the transition between two activities, like the main activity and another we will create. So stay excited and let's get to it. So now I will make another activity in here like this. So new here, and down here the activity and gallery. Now we are in this template section. We were in the first episode, so now you can pick any activity you want, but now I will pick only this empty activity. So next, and name your activity. Like I will name it as second activity, like this. So you should see the layout name. We will have another layout, so activity second, it will make it like this. So no, like this. Okay, so finish basic. Okay, so it will create another activity called second activity. So now we will have main activity. This is the content layout we created in last videos, and activity second. We should see the greater build science is in progress, and when it's well done it will show it like this. So second activity. Okay, we will create an text view right in the middle, so we can see in what application we are, so in what activity we are, like this, and everything changed to null, like this. Perfect. We have perfect centered text view, and I will change also the text to some like second activity. Okay, now you can I will show you the transition between the activities, and I will do it in this alert dialog. So when you click the positive button, it won't set the text in edit text, but it will it will start another activity. Okay, so let's get to it. And here is our second activity. Here is main activity. So I will make this super hard program. So delete this and start activity like this. Perfect. Now we should create a new intent. I will explain what intent is in some other programming tutorial, but now I will only create a new intent. Now we should paste context here. So context will be, as I said, here in activity, copy, paste in here, dot this, comma, and here we should paste the class we want to transit. So second activity, and we'll paste as second activity dot class. Perfect. You should see the package context here. Okay, so now when I run the application, and after the positive click, it will make a transition to, I should see my emulator, and it should make a transition to second activity. So now it will start. You should see here install, and now we should see our application will be running. Okay, perfect. Okay, so we should type something here like okay, hello world, this, and now when we click the positive button, it will transit uh, like this to second activity. It's pretty buggy, but on your device it won't be buggy, but on this emulator it's pretty buggy. So I don't use emulators for my work. So okay, next, second activity. But here is another problem. When I click this button, it should go to main activity back, like this. You should see here YouTube. But we won't do this. We want to, when I click this, like include visible, somewhere here is the include visible, like here is gone. So I when I delete it and run it again, you should see the perfect transition between two activities, and when I press the back button, it will go back, but we don't want to do this. So in here, like this, some text, hello world, here, and positive, like this. And when I click the back button, it go back. But I think we don't want to do this, because when you are logging or something, it will log in and it will go to main activity, and when he hit the back button, it won't go back to login. So we wanna delete this session to go back, because when I go like this, okay, so it's basic. You only have to make like finish. So when you start this activity, it will finish this main activity. So when you hit the back button, it won't go to the main activity, like this. So restart it again and see what is going on. Perfect, like this. G, hello world, positive button, and when I hit the bad button, it will close the application. Okay, so everything working. But I also want to show you another trick, and it's the onBackPressed. So you can program what should you do when you press the back button. So here I will do it in the second activity. So second activity, and on back pressed, this is the method which should we use. So on back pressed, and when you press the back button, it will, I can do it, it will change this text. So let's get to it. We also need to make an ID, so I will name it as on back. Perfect, refactor. Okay, so in this second activity I will make another, so text view, like this, on back, and in here I will make an find. So on back is equals to find view by ID, so r.id dot on back. Perfect. And this on back will change right here in on back press. So on back, set text to something like this. So now when we rerun the application, you should see the perfect work. So like this. Okay, so for example, G, hello world, positive button, but when we click the back button in here in the second activity, it won't go back, it won't change this text, it will change like this in something. But now it should close the application, because we don't set that it go back. We should delete this like this and rerun the application one more time. For example, G, hello world, positive, back, something, at int one closed. So when you have a super here, like this super dot on back pressed, it will return this value on back pressed, but when it won't return this value, it go to on back pressed, but it won't return the value, and it won't go back. So it will do only this. So super perfect. I hope you learned something new in this video. I think it was pretty confusing, but you should make it and learn how to run this application, another activity, and also how to use this onBackPressed method. So I hope you learned something new, and if you like and subscribe, if you like my videos, like and subscribe in here. And this is everything for me, and bye bye.